In this video, I'll show you how to work with ChatGPT Canvas, a powerful tool that enhances your editing and customization experience with ChatGPT. Open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Click on the first link that appears. On the home page in the upper right corner, you'll find the Login button. Click on it. Log in using your preferred method, such as Google, email, or other available options. Fill in basic details like your name and birth date to set up your account. Once done, return to the home page. You'll see a tiny button labeled Tools in the middle of the screen. Click on it. From the Tools menu, locate Canvas, which is usually the third option, and click on it to open the feature. Type your prompt into the Canvas interface and send it to ChatGPT. The tool will generate a detailed response for you. Scroll through the generated response and select any specific text you want to edit. You can adjust the font size, make it bold, italic, or even highlight sections as needed, all using the Canvas editing options. Select a particular part of the response and ask ChatGPT to explain, improve, or modify it. Just type your prompt, and ChatGPT will provide detailed suggestions displayed side by side in the interface for clarity. Locate the pen icon in the lower left corner of the interface. Click on it. From the menu that appears, choose Add Emojis. You can insert emojis into different sections of your response to enhance its readability or tone. Select the entire response, click on the pen icon, and choose Add Final Polish from the menu. ChatGPT will reanalyze and refine the response, ensuring it's well-structured and professional. Click the pen icon again and select Reading Level. You can choose a target audience like high school, college, or general. ChatGPT will adjust the response's readability accordingly. Use the pen icon to select Adjust Length. Choose whether you want the response to be longer or shorter. Send the selection to ChatGPT and the response will be modified to fit your desired length. Click on the pen icon and select Suggest Edits. ChatGPT will analyze the response, highlight areas for improvement, and suggest changes. You can review these suggestions and apply them by clicking the tiny Apply button. To see which parts of the response were edited by ChatGPT, click on the highlighted sections or on the clock icon at the top. You can also make manual edits by selecting a part of the response, entering your changes, and saving them. To track your manual changes, click the clock icon to view the edit history. Once you're satisfied with all the adjustments, copy the text and use it wherever you need. This process ensures the response is polished, professional, and perfectly tailored to your requirements. Thanks for watching, and I hope you now have a clear understanding of how to work with ChatGPT Canvas. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such tutorials.